Take 3 tablespoons and place them in a pan. You won't believe how useful and healthy this kitchen trick is. Take 3 large spoons from the drawer and arrange them in the pan in a star shape so they cross in the middle, with the curved side facing up. They'll serve as a support for a plate. Place the plate on top, making sure it's stable and well balanced. The plate should be smaller than the pan. Then pour in some water, making sure the level doesn't reach the edge of the plate. This allows the water to evaporate under the plate while cooking. Season your fish, like salmon, with salt and pepper, and place it on the plate. Cover the pan with a lid and turn on the heat. This method works perfectly for cooking fish or vegetables. The steam gently cooks the fish, keeping its natural juices and enhancing the flavor. Steaming fish this way is not only delicious but also very healthy. The gentle cooking process locks in nutrients and moisture, giving you a tender, juicy meal full of flavor.